You're at MetLife Stadium for a World Cup quarterfinal. 80,000 fans. Crowds everywhere.
Where is your seat? How do you order beer? What do you say at the merchandise shop?
Today, Stadium English. Real, practical, B1 level. Everything you need from gate to seat to merch.
Welcome to Learn English. I'm William, here with Sarah.
The World Cup brings millions of fans to stadiums in 3 countries.
We are at B1 level, intermediate. You can handle conversation but want stadium-specific language.
3 areas: entry and tickets, food and drinks, and merchandise.
Outside the stadium. First, your ticket. Most are digital now. Open the app, brightness up, show the QR code.
Security, bags up. Place your bag on the table. Pockets empty. Phone, keys, wallet in the basket.
Important, most World Cup stadiums have a clear bag policy. Only transparent bags allowed. Check the rules before you arrive.
Once inside, finding your seat. Look at your ticket. Section 124, row K, seat 15.
Stadiums are organized by section first. Big numbers on signs everywhere. Section 124, that way.
Lost? Ask an usher. Could you help me find section 124?
Or, which way to section 124? Both work. They'll point you in the right direction.
On your row, excuse me, may I squeeze past? Polite way to pass in front of seated fans.
If someone is in your seat, I think you're in my seat, could I check your ticket?
Be polite. Mistakes happen and people are usually friendly about it.
Entry phrases. Here's my QR code. My bag. My pockets are empty.
Finding seats. Could you help me find section 124? Which way to my row?
On the row. Excuse me, may I squeeze past? I think you're in my seat.
Notice the polite framing. I think you're in my seat is gentler than move.
Politeness goes far at the stadium, and everywhere in the USA.
Now food and drinks. American stadiums have concession stands everywhere. Lines can be long.
At the counter, I'll have a hot dog and a beer, please. Short and clear.
The classics: hot dogs, hamburgers, nachos, pretzels, pizza. Mexican stadiums also have tacos and tortas.
For beer, you might be asked, draft or bottle? Draft is from the tap, usually colder.
Size: regular or large? Large is bigger and costs more.
Pay with cash or card. Most stadiums prefer card or phone pay. Apple Pay, tap to pay, very common.
Tip at concessions. Tipping is optional but appreciated. Round up or add $1 to $2.
If they ask for a tip on the screen, just no tip or I'll round up. Don't feel pressured.
Take your food back to your seat. Eating is allowed in your seat.
If something spills, an usher can help. I spilled my drink. Do you have napkins?
Restrooms, call them bathrooms or restrooms in the USA. Where's the bathroom?
Now merchandise. Every stadium has team shops, jerseys, scarves, hats, flags.
Common. Do you have this in a medium? Or, can I try this on?
Sizes in USA: small, medium, large, extra large. Or numbers: 38, 40, 42.
The big purchase, a jersey. I'd like the messy jersey, size large, in blue. Be specific.
Some stores let you add a name and number. Could I get my name on the back? Usually a small extra fee.
And the scarf, classic World Cup souvenir. How much for the scarf? $25.
If you find the same shirt cheaper outside, you can ask, do you do price matching? Most stadium shops don't, but it's worth asking.
Now you're set. Ticket scanned, seat found, beer in hand, jersey on. Ready for the match.
Food. Hot dog and a beer, please. Draft or bottle. Cash or card.
Tipping is optional at concessions. No tip is fine. Roundup is generous.
Restrooms equals bathrooms. American word.
Merchandise. Do you have this in a medium? Could I try it on? Could I get my name on the back?
And always, please and thank you. Stadium workers are working a long day.
Repeat slowly. These are the most useful.
Could you help me find section 124?
Excuse me, may I squeeze past? Excuse me, squeeze past?
I'll have a hot dog and a beer, please.
Draft, please. A large draft, please.
Do you have this in a medium? Could I try it on?
Quiz time. Situation, what do you say?
You're lost looking for section 105. You see a stadium worker.
Could you help me find section 105? Perfect, polite, clear.
You want one beer from the tap and some chips. At the counter.
I'll have a beer and some chips, please. Or specifically, a draft beer and chips, please.
Last one. The jersey costs $120, but you want a smaller size.
Do you have this in a medium? Easy. You're ready for the stadium.
Stadium English isn't fancy. It's clear, polite, and direct.
Master these phrases and your matchday experience is smooth, no stress.
Thanks for listening to Learn English. Enjoy the World Cup.